right, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this remote control drone to unbox for you. We're going to show you everything that comes inside of the box. This is the X550 model. As you can see, it kind of, to me, it makes me think of one of those like military style airplanes. Takeoff and landing, 6-axis gyroscope, flashing LED lights, 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and a hover function. Just your own space in the sky with the little sticker there, company name there. Tons of the product information here. So the model X550, the brand name, the size of the drone, the remote control batteries, which looks like it uses 4 AAA batteries that are not included. It has a rechargeable 300 milliamp hour battery for the drone. They have a black one and a green one. We have the green one. Just some information on the back, some like helpful hints. So let's open this up. Got our little seal here. All right, what do we have? Well, that's it for the box. So we have a pretty lengthy user's manual here. This will tell you everything that you'll need to know about operating the drone. We're just showing you the unboxing. Cautions of battery, some battery warnings, and this is like a little helipad type thing. All right, so here we have everything else. This is like a ton of little parts. All right, so they include a USB-C type charger. Love that. Nice little screwdriver so you can perform all your maintenance. You have 4 extra propellers here, some extra little bolts there. Not entirely certain what that is. Extra screws, and not entirely certain what that is either. And then in here is a little drone, very light. I mean, this thing is light. You can see the propellers here. That's why they give you 4 extra ones. There's a little on-off button and the USB-C port to recharge it. Very nice. Love the green color. And then this is a controller. And then that's some like landing gear that you can set on the bottom for letting it land. But the controller is pretty nice. This is where the 4 AAA there's a screw there. So your batteries would go in here though, and then a little power button, there's sticks, some other buttons there. This does not have a camera. It's just made for flying around and made for being fun. So that's really about it for this X550 remote control drone unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you everything you get here. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.